In this video, we'll go over the Field Tools Asset Allocation feature. Let's start by going to the main navigation screen. Then, Asset Allocations. And onto Manage Asset Allocations. Down in the Employee repository is where we get all of our people to build our crew. In the area just below is where we have our allocations. Let's create some allocations. First, let's add the downtown expansion job. Now, let's create another one for the division job. Okay, now we need to assign our leaders and our crews. Walt will handle the division job, and Troy will head up the downtown expansion. Walt will mainly be doing steel work, so we'll give him a steel crew. Let's add that group. For the downtown job, Troy will mainly need carpenters, so let's set him up a carpentry crew. Now let's grab some workers. Mike will be on the steel crew, and so will Scott. On the carpentry crew, we'll have Henry, Tim, and from our temp crew file, let's add Dave Pearson. If you touch on an employee's name, this will open their file. We can add notes or change a start time, and the employee will get notification of these notes. Same can be done for the leaders. We'll set Troy as the assigned leader and mark him as employee in charge. He will be notified of this action and will have a purple mark next to his name. Let's say the division project is a bigger job than anticipated. We need to add a second foreman. Let's add Kelly Smith. However, Walt is still the person in charge, and his name will be noted with a purple mark. We are now done establishing the crews. Let's close the repository. This now gives us a bird's eye view of our crews. If we had several allocations, we would be able to, at a glance, see where everyone is. If we need to make a quick change, we can do so. Then we can notify our crews. Each crew member will get a text message. They will know when to show up and are alerted of any special notes. Everyone is now up to speed and ready to work.